Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, today we are discussing about the centroid of a triangle. Now let us consider the triangle ABC. Now let us consider the triangle ABC. ABC. Now write down here. Let us consider a triangle that is triangle ABC. Now the line segment drawn from any vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side. See, for example, the line segment. Okay, this is the line segment. Okay, this is the line segment. The line segment drawn from the vertex A of a triangle to the midpoint. This is the midpoint of opposite side. That is called a median. So once again, the median means the line segment drawn from any vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side is called a median. So write down. So you can write here, understand clearly. So what is a median? So I will write here. Now, so median. So what is a median here? The line segment drawn from any vertex of a triangle to the midpoint. Okay, midpoint of its opposite side is called a median. See, the line segment drawn, this is the AB. So, this is the line segment drawn from any vertex, from vertex A through the of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite side. Same as one more also here from, okay. So, for example, this is the D, okay, ADC. AD is the line segment drawn from any vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite side. Now, one more, the line segment. Okay, the line segment drawn from the vertex from B of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite sides. So this point represent E. Same as again one more, the drawn, okay, the line segment. Okay, the line segment drawn from vertex C of a triangle to the midpoint, okay, to midpoint of the opposite side. This is the F represent. Now the C, this is these three medians, that is meet at point G, intersect at point G. G is a centroid. That is the point of concurrence of, so here G is the point of concurrence of medians of a triangle. Is called centroid of the triangle. So see, so this one also you can write clearly, understand. Centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle is, that is the point of concurrence. The point of concurrence of medians of a triangle. Medians of a triangle is called a centroid of the triangle. So this is the centroid of the triangle. So this three medians is called a centroid of the triangle. Okay, it is denoted by capital G. So this is denoted by capital G. Now, so if you observe that here G divides AD. So I am writing here G divides each median. So take each here median. So AD is a median, B is a median, CF is a median. So for, okay, I'm taking only for one. G divides AD at each median. Each median in the ratio 2:1 from the vertex. Now here the G divides each median in the ratio 2:1. So this is the 2:1 ratio from the vertex. Okay, if you observe that, see children, here AG, see the AG is half of the part of GD. So this is the one ratio, this is half of the part of this one. Okay, that is simple. You can write as AG is equals to half of, that is 2 times of GD. You can write a AG equals to 2 times of GD. So we'll get 2:1. Now let us solve. Okay, how will get the proof 2:1? Okay, we'll understand clearly. Okay, let us solve the proof. This one. Now from triangle, okay, I'm taking, okay, now from triangle ABD, you can take from triangle ABD. Okay, let us solve the, how will get the ray. Okay, how will get the 2:1 ratio. Okay, let us now draw the figure, connection clearly. Now this is the figure. See, only from triangle ABD, from here I have the part of this one. Okay, so we'll get AG equals to GD. No, you have to prove that. So I will get the ratio. Now see, from triangle ABD. Okay, now if you observe that, again from triangle, see, so in this we have two types. See children. Now from triangle AFG is equals to, here see, for example writing here, F is the midpoint of AB. So F is the midpoint of AB. So what you can write here? BF is equals to AF. So both are equal. Yes or no? Half of the part is equal. That is, you can write as, okay, BF is equals to FA. So this is equal to this one. So this one are equal. So again, if you observe that, now from triangle, so two triangles I'm considering here. Okay, from triangle BFG, one more triangle AFG. Okay, from triangle BFG, this is first part, this is second part. Two, okay, only this part only we are considering, only this part. Okay, now here BF is equal to FA. Now here, if you observe that here both two triangles are concurrent, that is triangle BFG is concurrent to triangle AFG. So what is the concurrent means? Having same shape, same size, and corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are equal. See, for example, see here BF, okay, BF is corresponding to FA. Next, so both are equal. So again, angle B is corresponding to angle A, angle F is corresponding to angle F, angle G is corresponding to, again, angle G is corresponding angles are equal. So AFG is equal, she is also equal areas, which is also BFG also equal areas. So simple concurrent means having same shape, same size, and same sides and angles are should be equal. Areas also should be equal. Now, so areas also equal. No? So for example, I'm taking this part is X, this one also X. I'm taking areas. So in concurrent, areas also equal. No? So this part is X, this part also X. See, for example, from triangle BFG is equals to, from triangle AFG equals to, so I'm taking, let X equal to X. So this is X, this is also X. So total how ABG is equals to how much? From triangle, so total area is ABG is equals to X plus X, that is 2X.
If you please like this
So
video,
this
then
is
please
the
share it and
2x.
subscribe to my channel.
Now continuation.
If you please like this
Now, so
video,
what you
then
are
please
finding
share
here?
it and
So
subscribe to my
AG,
channel.
okay,
If
that
you
is 2
please
is
like
to
this
1, no?
video, then
AG
please share
equals
it
to
and
GD,
subscribe to
2
my
is to 1.
channel.
Now let's solve the,
If
okay,
you
how will
please
get,
like this video, then
see,
please share
from
it and
triangle,
subscribe to my channel. If you please like this video,
from
then please share
triangle
it and subscribe to my channel.
ABG is equals to, from triangle, again triangle, okay, DBG, DBG, okay, it is a DBG. Now, from triangle ABG, so for what is the area of a triangle? We are considering area, no? So triangle, area of a triangle, that is area of a triangle ABG equals to, here also area of a triangle DBG. So what is the formula? Area of triangle half into base into height. So here half into, what is the base here? So this is the base AG, height we can take a h only. Next is equals to, here 2 times of, so DBG, that is 2 times of this is, no, this is 2 times of this one. So you can take a 2 times of area of triangle DBG, that is 2 into area of triangle of the, now here area triangle half into base. What is the base here? Okay, GD into height. Height is the BD. BD is the here, which is the right angle. So BD is the height. From here also same as, so this is also height only. So height means you take h only. Now here half of cancel, here h cancel. So what is the remaining here? AG by 2 equals to GD. So we'll get the AG equals to 2 GD. So this is the, we got the, how we'll get the proof? 2:1. So AG equals to GD. That is the proof of ratio of the, how we'll get the 2:1. Now let us solve the, how we'll get, now we'll solve the formula of centroid of a triangle. Now the point G on AD, the G on AD, which divides it internally in the ratio 2:1. Okay, now the what is the here? What is the here? For a value x1 comma y1, b value x2 comma y2, third what is it? x3 comma y3. So here for midpoint you have to find, so G means you have to find out the x comma y. So now we can solve now 2:1. Now 2 points. Now G, the point G on AB, which divide the internally in the ratio 2:1. See, same as section formula only. Here A, G, D. So this is A value x1 comma y1, next x2 comma y2. So G value x comma y. Sorry, here we have to find out the D value. So D value how to find? Simple. So D means, now see here, this is D point is x2, that is D x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. Now see, I will explain also how you get this one also. Now see, from see here, see for example, so let us draw here. Now, so this is the point B. From D here, your point is C. So now what is the here value of B value? x2 comma y2. So this is c value x3 comma y3. Now here we have to find out the midpoint of BC. So what we get here midpoint is this 2. So x2 plus x3 by 2. Midpoint of formula. So midpoint of line segment is there, no? That formula only. So D is the midpoint of one. Same as here also. So y2 plus y3 by 2. So we'll get the midpoint of BC value. So what is the D point here? x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. Now we can find out the g of s comma y value. Now let us solve. Now what is the ratio here? 2:1. 2:1 ratio. Now by using section formula, what is the formula of section formula? By using section formula. Now a section formula, that is g of s comma y, have to find out. G of s comma y. So what is the formula of section formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1y m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is the formula. Now what is m1 here? This is m1, this is m2. Now here x1 y1 value. So this is x1 y1, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, I'll write here also. Okay, the ratio of m1 is to m2 equals to 2:1. Now so what is a value here? x1 comma y1 is equals to what we get? x1 comma y1 only. Next d value x2 plus x2 comma y2. Sorry, yes, small mistake. Now d of x2 comma y2. So what we can write here? That is x2 plus x3 by 2 comma y2 plus y3 by 2. Okay. Now this is x1 value is x1 only, y1 value y value. Now x2 value is x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 value is y2 plus y3 by 2. Now substitute here. Now g of x comma y is equals to, now m1 value is 2 of x2. So x2 value is, this is x2. So x2 plus x3 by 2. Now plus m2. M2 is 1. 1 into x1. x1 only by m1 plus m2. That is 2 plus 1 comma. Next again 2 of what is formula? m1 into y2. Y2 value is y2 plus y3 by 2 plus m2. M2 is 1.
If you please
Next
like
y1
this
value is
video,
y1
then
only
please share it and subscribe to my
by
channel.
m1 plus m2. That is 2
If you
plus
please
1.
like this video, then please share it
Now
and
g
subscribe to
of
my
s
channel.
comma y is, here 2 cancel, here also 2 cancel. So what are you getting? x2 plus x3 plus x1, 1 into x1, 1 x1 only by 3. Now y2 plus y3 plus y1 by 2 plus 1 is 3. Now write order wise, g of s comma y is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the formula of centroid of the triangle. So write down. The centroid of the triangle whose vertices are x1 comma y1, next x2 comma y2 and 3 vertices. Now that is so what is the formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, next y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the formula of centroid of a triangle, whose vertices. So this is, let us solve. Okay, so one more continuation is there, children. Continuation. Now Now see, if you observe, what is the formula of center of a triangle? Here given, okay, three vertices, okay, three vertices of center of a triangle is the center of a triangle whose vertices x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3 is formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the center of a triangle whose vertices sometimes they will give for you only for midpoints. Okay, they will give only for midpoint. You have to find out the vertices. So that also one more, okay, small proof only there. Okay, if you know the formula, it can easy for you. Now, so here they will give only for midpoint only. What is midpoint? D1, for example, this is I am taking alpha 1 comma beta 1. So this is for E value I am representing, okay, alpha 2 comma beta 2. Next, E value I am representing alpha 3 comma beta 3 I am representing. Okay, so I'll write here. Now, if D of alpha 1 comma beta 1, next E point alpha 2 comma beta 2, and F value alpha 3 comma beta 3 are the midpoints of sides. So midpoints, okay. See, D is the midpoint of BC. Next, E is the midpoint of AC. Next, F is the midpoint of AB. Okay, the midpoint of BC, next CA and AB respectively. So in a triangle ABC, then the vertices are, so directly you can find vertices. So how can you find? So they will give only for midpoints. So okay, how to find the vertices? So now you see, only one formula is there directly. Okay, now write down. So first of all, you have to find out the vertices A. Okay, now first one from point A you can find. First you can take these two. Okay, E plus F minus, okay, this opposite values D, okay, you can take minus D. Simple, finish. So once again explaining D. So D is the, okay, what is the, okay, D is here. Okay, the opposite is EF is there. So EF we can take plus, opposite value that is minus. A equal to E plus F minus D, same as B is there. For opposite side is first D plus F. First D plus F minus, so opposite value is E, that is the minus E. Next the vertices C, how to find? Again opposite value is DE, so this D plus E minus, what is opposite value here? F. Finish. Now you can find. So how will get now? See A value. So now E first X variable. No? So first variable you can take for X coordinate and Y coordinate. First value what is here? Alpha 2. First one alpha 2. A plus, no, alpha 2 plus, next one alpha 3 minus alpha 2 alpha 3 minus alpha 1. Simple. We are considering this 2, no, plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 minus alpha 1. Next same as Y coordinate also. Next beta 2 plus beta 3 minus beta 1. Minus beta 2 plus beta 3 minus beta 1. Next same as B also. So B means here D, F minus E. So D is the first one, alpha 1 plus, next alpha 3 minus opposite S coordinate only first, alpha 2. Next beta value, beta 1 plus beta 3 minus beta 2. So that is beta 3, beta 2. Next C value first DE. So first what is the alpha 1, alpha 2, opposite value alpha 3. Now write down. First one is alpha 1 plus alpha 2 minus x coordinate only alpha 3 minus next beta 1 plus beta 2 beta 1 plus beta 2 minus beta 3. Now, so we got the vertices A, B, C value. Okay, midpoint of D, E, F. Okay, let us solve one problem. You can understand clearly. Okay. Now see the example. So what are you asking question? Example 1. If S 1 comma minus 1, T value given 2 comma minus 1 and U value given 3 comma 2 are the midpoint of sides of QR and RP and PQ of the triangle PQR. Then the vertex of we have to find out the PQR. Okay. Now write down solution. So this diagram is continuation of this one. Okay. This diagram of this one. Okay. Otherwise, okay. We'll start from continuation here. Solution. Now draw a triangle. So what are you asking triangle here? From triangle. Now see. So what is given triangle here? The triangle PQR is given. So PQR. Now next what given here? S are the midpoint of QR. So QR the midpoint of, this is the midpoint of S. Next, so here my midpoint, here also one midpoint. Now write down. So this is the midpoint of S. This is the midpoint of T. T is the midpoint of RP and U is the midpoint of PQ. So this is the U. Now write down. What is given S value here? 1 comma minus 1 given. T value given 2 comma minus 1. U value 3 comma 2. Okay. Here have to find out the vertices of PQR. Okay. Now write down. So what is given here? So I am writing here. Now P. Yes. What is given here? Here given S value. That is alpha 1 comma beta 1 is equal to what given? 1 comma minus 1. Next T value alpha 2 comma beta 2 equals to 2 comma minus 1. Next U value alpha 3 comma beta 3 is equals to 3 comma 2. Now what is the formula of, now what is of P, what is of Q and R? Simple, can add on. So next, okay, next page I'll continue. Now, so what is the formula? What is of P? So formula P equals to, so I already explained now in previous video. So continuation. Okay. Now what is that here? Simple. So P opposite is T plus U. T plus U minus S. Next again. Next what you have to find? What is S? Q. Q is equals to opposite values. First S plus U. S plus U minus of opposite is P. Sorry, opposite value T. Sorry. Next R value. R opposite value ST. S plus T minus opposite value U. Now write down simplification. So what we get here? Formula alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus here minus will come here. Write down. That is simple. I am writing here alpha 1. First formula alpha 1 plus alpha 1. So sorry, this is the formula is alpha 2. Alpha 2 here second time, no? Second alpha 2 plus alpha 3 minus alpha 1. Formula alpha 2 plus beta 3 minus beta 1. So now see here. Simple. So what did you find here? P, no? First 2 plus x coordinate only can take. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 minus only x coordinate only. Next 1 comma. Next y coordinate. Minus 1 plus 2 minus minus of minus 1. Finish. Next,
If you please
Q.
like this
Q
video,
vertices.
then please share it
Now from
and
vertices
subscribe to
Q,
my channel.
S,
If you please
S
like this
and
video,
U.
then please
So
share
first,
it and subscribe to my
so what
channel.
is formula? Alpha
If
1
you
plus
please like this
alpha
video,
3
then please
minus
share it and
alpha
subscribe to
2
my
comma
channel.
beta 1 plus
If you
beta
please like
3
this video, then please
minus
share it and
beta
subscribe to
2.
my channel.
Now write down.
If you please like
Now
this
what is alpha
video,
1
then
here?
please share it
Alpha 1
and
is
subscribe to my
1.
channel.
Sorry, yes, Q no. Now Q represent yes. 1 plus 3 minus x coordinate only. Next y again. Next minus 1 plus y coordinate 2 here. Minus of minus 1. Now R. Now our formula alpha 1 plus alpha 2 minus alpha 3 comma beta 1 plus beta 2 minus beta 3. So simple. What is the formula? R. R opposite value is ST. So first 1 x variable x coordinate x plus 2 minus opposite value x coordinate only 3. Next y1 value is minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 2. Finish. Now what we get in the vertices? The vertex P of x1 comma y1 is, so what we are getting? What is 2 plus 3? 5. 5 minus, yeah, I'm writing here, okay. 5 minus 1 comma next minus 1 plus minus to minus plus 1, okay. 2 minus plus 1. So what are we getting? A continuation. 5 minus 1 4 comma a plus 1 minus 1 cancel, that is 4 comma 2. So now the P of vertices x1 comma y1 is 4 comma 2. Next point, what you are finding here? The vertex point, okay. Next Q, no, the Q. So x2 comma y2, sorry, here which is Q value is now 1 plus 3. Then as it is only 1 plus 3 minus 2 comma minus 1 plus 2 minus into minus plus 1. Now comma plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Now here 4 minus 3, 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 3 4, 4 minus 2 2. Now here 2 comma 2. So Q point is 2 comma 2. Okay, we got the Q value, Q vertices. Next, the vertex R x3 comma y3 is, so 1 plus, as it is another 1 plus 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus into minus 1, now minus 2. Okay, see here 1 plus 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus into minus 1 minus 2 is 1 plus 3, so 1 plus 2 3 minus 3 0. Next minus 1 is minus 2, okay. Now minus 2, so other hand, so that is minus 4, 0 comma minus 4. 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 minus 3 0 only. Now yet all are having minus, you can add 2 plus 1 plus 1 how much? 4. So we got the R value how much? 0 comma minus 4. So this is the, okay, then when we will given the midpoint, how to find the vertices by using this example. Okay, now let us find out the centroid of a triangle, continuation only. So but okay, I didn't ask for the question, but you can find. Okay, now so what is the formula? The centroid of a triangle whose vertices, so what is the first value? P of 4 comma 2, Q values 2 comma 2 and R value 0 comma minus 4 is formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 Next formula y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now simplification. Now this is the x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Now what is x1 here? 4 plus 2 plus 0 by 3. Next y1 2 plus y2 2 plus y3 minus 4 by 3. Now 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 0 6 only, 6 by 3 by 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus into minus 4 by 3. Now so 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, so answer is 0 2 comma a plus minus 0. So 0 by anything is 0. So the vertices that is p of s comma, that is g of s comma y is 2 comma 0. This is the center of a triangle. Now see the one example, you can understand clearly. So example 2, find the center of a triangle whose vertices are given. 3 vertices given, a b c are given. Now let us draw that one triangle. Okay, this is the triangle ABC. Okay, now here given, what given? 4 comma 0, b value 0 comma minus 6, c value 2 comma 6. Okay, now so what you have to find the center of the triangle formula. Now read up. So let a of x1 comma y1 is what given? First one a 4 comma 0. Next b value x2 comma y2 is equals to what given? 0 comma minus 6. C value x3 comma y3. So one that is 2 comma 6. Now what is centroid of the formula? The centroid of a triangle whose vertices are first one 4 comma 0, next one is 0 comma minus 6 and 2 comma 6 is formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, which is the formula, that is g of s comma y point. Now x1 value how much? x1 value is 4 plus x2 value is 0
If you please
plus
like this
x3
video,
value is
then please share
2
it and
by
subscribe to
3.
my channel.
Next y1 value is 0
If you please
plus
like this video,
minus
then please
6
share it and
plus
subscribe to my
6
channel.
by
If you
3.
please like this video,
Now
then please share it and
4
subscribe
plus
to
0
my
plus
channel.
2, how much? 4 plus 0
If you
0,
please
sorry,
like
4
this
plus 0
video,
4,
then
4
please
plus 2
share it
6,
and subscribe to
6
my
by
channel.
3 comma here
If you
plus
please like this
6,
video, then please share it
here
and
plus
subscribe to
plus
my
into
channel.
minus 6, here plus 6 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, plus minus cancel. So what is it remaining? G of s comma y is so 2 comma 0. So this is the example 2. The center of a triangle is what is here from this is midpoint of so D. So this is the G value. This is 2:1, no? 2:1 ratio. 2:1 ratio. Here what is the G of x value is 2 comma 0. So this is the G point. X comma y value is 2 comma 0. So one more example can understand clearly. Now next example. So what given next one? Find the center of a triangle whose vertices are. Same problem. Same as next one. Okay. But give values are changed here. Okay. Now let us draw the triangle. Okay. For example, I'm taking here PQR. Okay. PQR. You can take any name. Okay. PQR. Okay. Now draw the midpoint. Okay. Here we have to find out the S, no? S. So this point is centroid. You can take G. So 2:1 ratio. 2:1 ratio. So what given P value? 0 comma 0. Q value is 2 comma 5. R value 7 comma 4. 7 comma 4. Now write down. Let A x1 comma y1 is how much? 0 comma 0. Sorry, this is P value. P. Next, q x2 comma y2 is 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. Next, r value x3 comma y3 is equals to 7 comma 4. Now what is the formula now? The centroid of the triangle whose vertices are what again? 0 comma 0, 2 comma 5 and 7 comma 4 is, so what is formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the formula. So that is g of x comma y is, now substitute value, x1 value how much? 0 plus x2 value is 2 plus x3 value is 7 by 3. Next, y1 0 plus y2 5 plus y3 value 4 by 3. So next, g of x comma y value is, so 2 plus 7 9 by 3 comma 5 plus 4 9 by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 3 ja, here also same 3 1 ja 3 3 ja. So therefore g of x comma y value is 3 comma 3. So therefore here the g of x comma y value is 3 comma 3. So this is the examples of centroid of a triangle. Thank you.
If you please like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel.